Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do this as quickly and efficiently as I can. I have the kiddo currently distracted for the moment. I am in my closet because I'm trying not to let her know I am doing a video. We have family coming over in a couple hours and I need to get her ready, clean up the house real quick. So, just want to give you guys my recap real quick. So here is the kit that I used last week for the 8th through the 14th of July. I used the Expect More, or better known as the Target Weekly Kit from TheCraftyStudent. And I'll show you what I used. I used all of the glitter headers, the majority of the functional sheet, most of the already cut washi, the covers, and the headers that I used were actually on my sidebar that you'll see, and the day covers obviously for a weekly view. Majority of the headers, half boxes, quarter boxes, and half ombre check boxes. Most of the little things and icons down here. Used the weekly habits, and then all of the ombre heart check boxes, and most of the icons, and then the the decorated full boxes, and a couple of the flags. So that is what I used. That is what was left over. Onto the video. Here is the weekly view here. Again, this is for July 8th through the 14th. So I kept track of all of my steps via my Apple Watch. The plus means that I had it on the charger or I left it in the kitchen because I took off my watch to wash the dishes. So I did do some filming. Grandparents came over and then they left for a week. Maintenance had come. There was payday. Lots of games going on. Then the countdown for my daughter and I's birthday. I got my Happy Meal from TheCraftyStudent, which that haul will be up on Friday. So 2 days from today when this video will be coming up. There's that. And then the sidebar, I just have like a few things I write down for the week, whether it's something that I need to do, something that is going to happen, especially if it's something that may or may not happen. That was a surprise there, so I just colored that in. I did not reapply. Then my to-dos are just my habit tracker, so what I did every day. I did do my skincare on Sunday. And then husband's work schedule, and then hydration. I actually did really good this week. My daughter's medication and vitamin tracker, and then getting out, which we did better than we have been. Got out all weekend. Cubs won all week, which was awesome. And then like my little just adding in and stuff like that. Stuff that I don't really want to put here, but I want to put here so I remember. And then the rooms I need cleaned weekly. Now on to day by day. Monday, as you can see, there's not really a whole lot that went on. The day pretty much went by like that. I can't snap with my left hand. Oh, sort of, kind of. Anyways, we watched Captain America 2. Slept in, talked to my mom, did movie night for that, and then I filmed and also had a video that went up that day, as well as a bill that was due that I paid. It was trash day. Tuesday, we actually finished Captain America 2, washed my hair, gave my daughter a bath. I bought the 2 out of 3 of the new kits from TheCraftyStudent. New releases went up that night. for the TPC sale that you'll see went on Thursday through Monday. Took out the trash. I watched a lot of the Jackiee plans videos. I pretty much binge watched it. Like, I've been going back and watching just because she's very entertaining and she's just awesome. We had sandwiches. They came over. My husband had a fun interview. On to Wednesday, grandparents left. Talked to my dad. Washed sheets. We watched YouTube videos most of the day. I got a lot of laundry done. Then my husband had an in-person interview. We got started on Guardians of the Galaxy. I filmed a plan with me, which is currently up. My daughter had another bath. New releases went up, maintenance came, and the TPC sale started. I think we finished we finished and started that on Friday, but we tried to continue Guardians of the Galaxy, the first one there, and then Friday. I got a little bit of me time. I actually woke up super early and was like, okay, screw it, I'm just gonna have some me time. I watched some more of the Jackiee plans videos I watched last week and this week's, or I guess it would be the following week, or 2 weeks ago, and last week's Scribble Prints Co. I bought some shirts and bought some skincare. My husband went and got milk and pull-ups. I'm starting to mark when I do blog posts. Okay. So this little itty bitty computer right there, the little laptop, is from Planner Keat. I will have more Planner Keat stuff being used just because I am a bit on the budget. So I'll be using up some stuff I already have. Otherwise, everything, unless mentioned, is the Crafty Student. So everything is Crafty Student unless I mention it otherwise. So that is Planner Keat right there. Everything else is the Crafty Student. I didn't get any of that done. It's trash day. Cubs won. It's the last day of Spotify, which we pretty much listened to the majority of the day when we weren't watching YouTube videos. I started to play The Sims, and I binge watched some Veronica Mars, which by the time I'm filming this, there's like a week and a half left until Veronica Mars is back for season 4. Woohoo! Which happens to actually be the 26th, which is the same day as the final season of The Orange is the New Black comes out. And unfortunately, I don't have Netflix anymore, so I'm still gonna watch everything though. On to Saturday, we ended up having a Walmart adventure. We went for like a couple of things and ended up being there like almost all afternoon. I did get my eyebrows done. This brow appointment right here is Polish Designs. Everything else is the Crafty Student. I had extra coffee because I had a migraine in the morning. Did a lot of laundry. Which I didn't end up folding until the next day. We had my cheese corn dogs. Cubs won, but the majority of the day was at Walmart. And the Crafty Student came early. Finally, Sunday, I didn't actually get to clean the fridge the way I wanted to, but I did clean out the fridge. I got all the laundry, which was like 6 loads, folded, washed my hair, gave my daughter a bath, binge watched some more Jackiee. We went grocery shopping, so we were at Walmart again for a long time, but we went to 2 different Walmarts. We went to the one a little bit further from us on this day, and then this day we went to the one closer to us. I got my PR posts out, and then we ended up taking a break from the Marvel Marathon, and watch Sleepy Hollow, or rather my husband did, and I kind of just like played with my planner while he was doing that. I did get a lot done. I didn't actually deep clean the kitchen, but I did speed clean through it, and more so deep clean the bathroom. I should switch that, but I'm not going to, because I think I'll remember. And yeah. Oh, and Cubs won that day. So that is it. That is the weekly recap of the week of July 8th through the 14th using the Expect More Target weekly kit from TheCraftyStudent. So make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like planner videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!